Hello, welcome to Mushabbar from the capital of Sweden, Stockholm. If you want to visit Saudi Arabia, then you need a visa to do that. For most of the countries in the world, probably there are more than 100 countries. For those countries, you can get visa on arrival at the airport from Saudi Arabia. But most of the times, there is a huge queue if you want to get your visa at the airport. In order to solve this issue, not only Saudi Arabia but also the neighboring countries in the Middle East, they have started a process to apply visa online. It is called eVisa. So now you can get Saudi visa online. It is called eVisa in advance by applying before even you travel to Saudi Arabia. It actually costs a little bit more than if you want to get the visa from the airport. The difference is about 55 real, if I remember, or Saudi real. I think you can get a Saudi tourist visa at the airport for about 480 real, maybe plus minus 5%. But if you apply for the same visa online, which is called eVisa, I think you have to pay 55 real more. So it is about 530 or 40 real. But the process is very easy. I have applied for myself Saudi eVisa few days ago for my family and myself, and the process went very smooth. Actually, it took less than a minute for my partner to get Saudi eVisa. For me, it took like 7 or 8 minutes. So in total, less than 10 minutes, we got our eVisa instantly. For one person, it was instantly within seconds. But to research all this, I have to spend like 2 days. The application process is very simple. If you have all the information in hand, you can apply for the visit visa from this website. This is the official website. But if you are going to browse Google, you will see here there are a lot of other websites that are also providing a Saudi e-visa, and they all looks official, but they are not official. This is the only one which is the official. Other websites are from different kind of service providers, but I think they are trying to make their offer in such a way that it looks like official. Maybe many companies are using them. They're also genuine, but they have some add-on fee on top of visa fee. If you don't want to pay any add-on fee, then you have to apply from this website. And if you go down, you can see which countries are eligible to apply for e-visa, and there are many countries in all over the world. And also you can get this e-visa if you are from Sweden. And as I said, it took like less than a minute for one of us to get e-visa. For me, it took like about 8 months. So they claim that you can get visa within 5 to 30 minutes. So it was even much faster than what they claim. If you want to visit Saudi Arabia for whatever reason you may have, for example, if you want to go there just for tourism purposes, or if you want to meet your family members or friends, or if you want to go there for religious purpose, for example, you want to do Umrah or Hajj, you can apply for your visa online via the e-visa process. And it is pretty quick, as I mentioned again and again. When you apply for Saudi e-visa, there is not much information that you need to provide them. You only need to provide them your visiting address. It could be an address from the hotel, or maybe it could be the address of your friend or family member. But they need address and also some basic information about your identity. So there was not much information they asked. Much of the time that it took for me is to look for this website. So that is the most important thing. Otherwise, the whole process is very easy. So this was all for today. Thank you to all of you. Goodbye. If you like this video, please share this video to the whole world.